Hi guys, hi guys, happy Vlogmas. It is finally here. Now I will say I will not be doing full on Vlogmas every single day, so please don't expect that from me. I have got a job now. Like this year it's so different to last year, even though I did do Vlogmas last year when I had a job, but I was also going to be on holiday for 2 weeks for them, like that Christmas week for Christmas and the week after. So this year is a bit different, so I'm not doing full on Vlogmas every single day, but I have got some things to do during Vlogmas. I've just made some biscuits, so I'll probably decorate them in this vlog later on. But in this vlog, like you all love, we're gonna do an organize, and I am going to also do a manifesting board in another vlog. I will be doing loads of vlogs. I just feel like when it comes to Vlogmas and like this end of the year, that's where my inspiration shines. So I am going to be doing Vlogmas, but it's going to be a bit different this year. So if I'm not uploading on here, if you're not going to get a, I don't want to say daily vlog, but like, you know what I mean, like more regular vlog in here, while you'll be getting a vlog on my TikTok. So follow my TikTok and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the vlogs on here and the vlogs on my TikTok. But it is not December yet. Vlogmas has not started for me. But it is the 29th. We're starting to get into the Christmas spirit with my, you can't even see it, but I'm not showing you all of my hair because it needs washed. I'm going to have a bath tonight as well. I've already used my gingerbread stuff, but we can use it again at some point this month. It's fine. But I'm going to start with tidying my room because it needs done, and I might wrap because I feel like most of it is just a present because I don't have any room to put anything. I'm just like, and the vintage stuff. I need to find a bag to put the vintage stuff in.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
These are the cookies or biscuits, gingerbread biscuits. Yeah, there is still loads of these ones, but I've just decorated some. It's the next second day now. I've had work, went to work, got work on Saturday, and I am going to be vlogging tomorrow as well. But after today and tomorrow, that's when what I said in this vlog will be happening. And even though I have said I don't vlog on YouTube, I'll vlog on TikTok. Obviously TikTok content is going to be a much shorter format, and there will be days that I won't upload on YouTube or TikTok, because this year I'm not saying I forced myself other years, but I want to enjoy this Christmas. I want to film the type of content that I love about Vlogmas. I love watching people wrap their presents. I love people filming decorates with me, and that's what I'm going to do. I love all that type of content, and that's what you should expect from me. I'm not going to do any makeup videos this year if I'm not feeling it. I'm not going to force that type of stuff, because I love makeup, but I love doing it in my own time. Like, I know filming it is in my own time, but like, I don't really like doing a full-on Pacific look. If it's like a get ready with me, and you might have one of those, because I am going to go on, not really a night out, but I'm going out for a meal with my friend again on Saturday after work. But again, I might film that for TikTok, most likely will film that for TikTok. But I wanted to end this vlog by showing you things that I got, and there's a sneak peek of tomorrow. I'm going to show you all the calendars, and I've got one coming as well. So if you did not know, I'm going to Taylor Swift Eras Tour UK edition 2024, and I'm kind of struggling with how to make the bracelet. So even though this is like a kiddie kit, I thought I would try with this, and I'm going to see if I can put the words on as well. So these beads might look a bit bigger than the word beads, but I think it will be quite cool if they fit. I don't know yet, but I might try that tomorrow. And then I've got more gift tags. And then I have a thing with tape. And for some reason, this year, they've brought out like wash style tape. I cannot remember what it's ever called. But that is so cool. So that's going to be the tape this year for me. And that is from one of the card factory shops. Not card factory, but from one of the card shops. It's 30mm, I think. These, I thought they were so like I can't pronounce the word, like original, but it's not original. It's like old school Christmas. Like, look at this trees. And of course I need to get the robin, because I'm called Robin. But this isn't gonna look, my room isn't gonna look like how it looks like now. I'm gonna go and tidy it, and then I'm gonna go and watch I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. And then I also got the last what I say, I'm restricting on myself, being like, this is the last things I'm getting for my sister. So I got the last thing that I'm getting for my sister, and I'm gonna probably wrap tomorrow, because the reason why I'm being so prepared, even though I still want to get my dad's stuff, I still want to order something for my dad. I'll probably order that tomorrow, I don't know, or I'll probably leave it till next week actually, because I get paid next week. But I want to order something for my dad, and probably get some more bits for my mum. But I think I'm pretty much done with my sister. But I'm going to wrap presents anyway, probably tomorrow, if I'm in the mood, because Teddy had her girl up today, so she's feeling a bit like down and sluggish and tired. And it's just one of those, like, when someone, well, the dog's not a baby, but like Teddy Alfie's my first ever dog. Alfie, and Daisy are like my babies. So like, when you can tell the difference, and I'm just like, but you also need to be gentle with her because she's got a scar. But that is everything that I got today. I didn't get much. Oh, I want to show you this, and I'm also going to show it on TikTok. I'm going to try it on TikTok. with one brush because I want to do it for a full-on vlog for this. Not like it's going to take a full-on vlog, but I want to do a clip. And it's the TikTok thing. If you don't know, get to know. By Coco, customized by Chloe. It is a makeup soap thing. Don't know how it actually works. I think you put water on it. Yeah, add water. No, it doesn't say that. I don't know. It doesn't go up to date till 2026. Oh my god. But I hope you enjoyed this first vlog. And happy 1st of December! For you guys, it's not 1st of December for me. It's till Thursday. But hope you enjoy this month. This is the best month of the year. Well, for most people. Some people it's not. But I love it. I feel so cozy. I feel so festive. Near the time. I like the run up to Christmas more than Christmas Day. And I don't know if it's just because I'm getting older. But I just love wrapping presents, making them look cute and everything like that. Bye guys. I'll see you, well, tomorrow. Technically for you tomorrow. But then after tomorrow it will be, like I said, to the schedule what I am thinking of. Bye.